This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know these 3 interesting pistol facts? First up, did you know the Glock 17 can hold up to 17 rounds in its standard magazine? That's one of the reasons it's so popular with law enforcement. Next, the Colt M1911 has been around for over a century. It was designed in 1911 and is still used today. Talk about standing the test of time. And finally, ever heard of the Desert Eagle? It's one of the most powerful semi-automatic pistols in the world. It can even shoot .50 caliber rounds. So, there you have it. 3 amazing pistol facts you can share with your friends. Hit that like button if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gun content.